Everyone, welcome back to Uninterrupted Learning Program. From now on, you have to be committed with you. You're not gonna interrupt your learning program, so you can learn every day any sort of English learning materials. It can be a vocabulary, it can be a pronunciation tips or new pronunciation hacks that you can learn and you can apply every day in your practical English speaking. And you must speak every day as well. You must at least watch one video or more than that, whatever it depends on your circumstance and your availability, or how much time you have, how much time you can spend every day in your English learning to learn English. So it depends on you. So I just started an uninterrupted English learning program, and this is gonna be for the next 365 days, about more than one year. So I'm not gonna be interrupted. If you see sometime I just like now uploading videos for over a week, is something wrong with me, something happening in my personal life. I'm saying this sort of thing more than 100 times, I think. So, and I'm again not really uploading video. I don't really know. I wanna see end of the day what's gonna happen. I just take again and again challenge, broken challenge happening, this sort of things. But this is the last again. I'm just gonna try. I'm just gonna prove myself. I hope you will guys give me another opportunity. So this is the first videos, and for the Facebook you'll get video every day. For the YouTube channel you'll get video maybe twice in a week or 3 times in a week, once in a week, at least once in a week. So for the most cases you will find video maybe once in a week, and some cases you will find video probably twice or 3 times in a week. So it depends on my availability, it depends how my life is going, what is the circumstance. And yeah, so keep in touch, stay with me in this uninterrupted life-changing learning process. So thank you for watching the video. This was the first video, so I think this program can completely change your life. It's not like that I'm gonna teach you something very special that's gonna be you will be just a really good English speaker just by watching this video. You will learn from different kind of materials, different kind of courses, different kind of places. Just be consistent. So if I can upload video every day, so definitely you can learn something every day from others courses as well. So just stick with me that I'm doing something every day, so you will also do something every day, because I'm not stopping anything. So yeah, that's it. I'm also a busy person like you. So yeah, that's it forever for right now, sorry. So, and absolutely definitely you'll make some mistake as well. So yeah, that's it. And keep in touch with me and be a really amazing English speaker. And whatever you can learn something else, just stick with me and learn everything gradually. All right, I will also give you some suggestions, some tips, whatever I'm learning. Or that's it so far. Thank you for watching the video.